Hi, welcome to the SM Tech channel. This video is going to instruct you on how to efficiently use Microsoft Teams. To get to Teams, open Google Chrome. From here, click on the third tab labeled Microsoft 365. Enter in your school email. Then enter in your password you used to sign into your device. From here, you can see all the apps you have. And today we are focused on Teams, so press the Teams icon. Give it a second to load. And now you are in Microsoft Teams. In the Activity tab, you can see everything that is happening. You can also use a Chat tab. This Chat tab allows you to communicate with people who are using Skype for Business, as well as other people who are using Microsoft Teams. And this allows for you to always be able to communicate with your peers. And this allows you to also do nearly anything, like schedule meetings, for example. Click on the Teams tab under Chat, and you can see all the teams for your classes. Here you can view the general chat and ask your teacher questions. You can also view the files your class needs. You can also view and edit your OneNote notebook for the class right here in Teams. The last thing in the Teams section is all the assignments for that class, with due dates as well, so you can stay on top of all your assignments. You can also schedule and accept meetings in Teams, and you can do this with people outside of school as well. This section serves as a great organizer for your busy high school life. You can also view all your Onedrive files right here in Teams under the Files tab. The last thing you can view is all your assignments in one simple section under the Assignments tab. All these resources make Teams both helpful in making your school life stay easy, and it also allows you to do your best in school.